Hey guys, what's up? Emmanuel Simon Sakala right here. Today we're just going to try and do a tutorial of one of the most trending songs in Zimbabwe called Juzi. This is an acoustic version of the guitar that was played there. I may not be playing Nemo Nemo, but I'm going to try and give you what I know. I'm going to give you two ways of playing this song. The first type being the one inoshandisa ma bar chords, and then the second type being the type inoshandisa ma open chords. So if you want my open chords, just keep towards the end of the video and then you'll see that tutorial. If you want the bar chords, then just keep on watching. Right, first thing I want you to know that this song was played in the key of B. So all the chords that we're going to be playing right now are in the key of B and Didiga. Some might want to call that same key of B an equivalent. Some might want to call it the key of G sharp minor, but then I just call it the key of B and for the sake of progress. So since we said we're in the key of B, that means B, we have the first chord being, that's G sharp minor, which is held like this. So what you do is just you strike the first string and strike the second one, kudzidzira, slowly, and then chak kudzidzira. Then you go to the second chord, which is an E major. So first chord, it's G sharp minor, chak. Then the second chord, that's an E major. And then the third chord, that's a B. And then the last chord, that's an F sharp major. So they'll be moving like that. So now what you want to learn most likely is how you put those little licks in between. So after you play your first chord, which is, then you go to the next. Then you saw that I rushed here. What's simply happening here is that we're holding a kind of a 4-string bar chord, which is something like this, with that note being added. So what you simply do, you slide the in. See that? So something like this. See that? Slowly. Then we rush to the other chord, then to the last one, then this is the pentatonic scale in the key of B now. So here what we simply do, so see that? So that's basically what's happening there. It all becomes easier with time as you keep on practicing that riff and diga. So I hope that you learned something. Right now I'm just going to try and give you an alternate version of that. Takaisa kepo. So my chords same still. So here I'm playing E minor. Take E minor because takaisa kepo anditika, but otherwise the real chord is actually G sharp minor. So then to C, you see I'm actually playing a C7, C major 7, but then let's just call it a C, and I stuck up such convention to make it C major 7. So then to G, then to this chord. You can play a D, but a D doesn't really sound very well for me, so I play this chord, which they call E minor 11th, or we can call it an A7 sus/ F sharp. That's very complicated, but let's just call it an E minor 11, which is, you see that? So So what's happening here? It's also simple. What we are doing is very simple. Is takariza E minor, twenda kuna C, then so first notes are very open, then see. So kanoka bata chord, then see that. So simple like that. And so all of these things, again, they get better with practice. You become smoother with practice. So if you like the lesson that you just watched, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, Music Corner ZW. We actually appreciate your subscriptions and your sharing of the videos. Thank you so much for watching.